IBPS Clerk 2023, right? So here we are going to offer you the course that is the prelim plus main. That's the good thing that we are in your support for your preparation. And the course detail, this will be the online live batch. Online teaching will be there. And the date of starting of the course is on 19th of July. Right? So, and the language of this course will be, the teaching will be ये Hindi और English दोनों language में रहेगा. So that is a combination of Hindi and English. Right? So I will go into the detail of the course. For example, what we are going to teach in this batch. So in this batch, you will have a complete course future, and these all are the futures are. That is 200 plus hours will be the live class, right? And that will be on our platform, is online platform. And the next is all the people who are teaching have more than 20 years of experience. And the next is the free online test will be there for you, those who have enrolled, and there will be one-to-one mentorship, and there will be a chat support system for 24/7. What else you want? If you are preparing immediately, if you have any doubt, so you can chat and can get it clarified. And there will be also live doubt clarification session. So these are the features of our course is online. About IBPS Clerk 2023. So those who are preparing, I request you to enroll for this course. Those who are is already prepared, for you it will be an practice class, and you will learn a lot of other shortcut in this class. The next slide shows that what are we are going to offer. This is what IBPS Clerks 2023 online test series. In this online test series, the total number of tests will be 21 full length test. That is the total your 100 questions of 100 marks. Right? And there will be a subject-wise test also. Subject-wise test. You know that quantitative aptitude 35 question, reasoning 35 question, और उसके बाद में English 30 questions आते हैं. तो वो जो section होता है ना, तो section wise हमारे पास में topic exam रहेगा, and that is 9 tests will be there, and there will be a full length mock test, जो 12 full length mock test रहेंगे. So इस तरह से बहुत सारे टेस्ट रहेंगे, and classes, as I said that 200 plus hours live class in our ACE online platform. Right my friends? Now फिर आगे चलते हैं. That is एक चीज़ है, that's a very important, that use this code. What is this code is? That is IBPS 50. What is the advantage of using this code? जब आप ऑनलाइन अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, कैसे करना है वो भी हम बता रहे हैं. When you apply this code, you will be getting 50% discount. 50% discount. That means half of the fees will be only charged from you. So please note this code, and that is IBPS 50. यहाँ इस कोड को अप्लाई करने पर हम फिर से बता रहे हैं हिंदी में कि वो 50% कोर्स के फीस पर डिस्काउंट मिलेगा आपको. ठीक है, तो यहाँ जो भी फीस दिखाया जाएगा उसका सिर्फ 50% आप पे करोगे. एंड उसके बाद में देखिए कि किस तरह से आपको परचेस करना है कोर्स. तो अभी कुछ लोगों को डाउट होगा, सम ऑफ यू मे हैव अ डाउट दैट हाउ डू आई बाय द कोर्स. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, you are going to get into the ACE online. आप गूगल में ACE online टाइप करेंगे तो हमारी वेबसाइट खुल जाएगी. एंड वंस द वेबसाइट इज ओपन, आपको यहाँ पे कोर्सेज दिखेंगे, जहाँ यहाँ पे बैंकिंग कोर्स रहेगा. So you have to click this banking course. See that again and again I am showing you this code. 50% discount on the course fees, my dear friends. Now उसके बाद स्टेप 2 क्या करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ जब आप क्लिक करते हैं यहाँ पे बैंकिंग, तो यहाँ पे आपको एक कोर्स मिलेगा, दैट इज IBPS क्लर्क. ये स्पेशली IBPS क्लर्क के लिए बता रहे हैं. बट आपको मालूम है whenever you are preparing for the IBPS clerk, it is also similar to the SBI clerk, it is also similar to the RBI clerk and the other clerk examination also. So it covers all. Actually, then when you are preparing for the bank, State Bank of India clerk exam, you will find the same subject what is there in the IBPS clerk. So once you go for that, then there is a subscription option will be there. Once you click that, then what is the third step over here? In the third step, you will find all the step-by-step guidance how you buy the course. So every step is mentioned over here. That is step 1. Aapke first go to the ACE online and click the banking, and then you will get that after clicking IBPS Clerk. I'm just repeating that. And then once you click that, your course के जो detail हैं and subscription, ये सारे options आपको मिल जाएंगे, right? And हमारी website कौन सा है? That is www.ace.online. यहाँ पे जाइए. Then again write down this one. Please write down this one. If you are not joining, you can help your friends to pass this code and they will get 50% discount on the entire course fees. Now download our app first. And once you download your app, then you will get everything what I have shown in my previous slide. ये हुआ and ये हुआ. ये सारी चीज़ ऐप में गाइड करेंगे आपको. ठीक है. So or you can scan this your ये. So QR code आप scan कर सकते हैं. So this is the two way you will directly go to our website. और ये Apple Store पे अवेलेबल है, Google Play पे भी अवेलेबल है, and it is also available on Windows Store. Right, my young friends? And don't forget this code. Either you join and use this code or ask your friends or relatives to use this code. They will get 50% of discount. Now coming to this is the very important contact point. He is Harshvardhan sir. So he is our regional manager and his contact number is this. Any clarifications? आपको कोर्स कैसे लॉन्च करना है, कोर्स कब तक कोर्स कैसे इनरोल करना है, if there any problem, then course how many long it will go, what are the timings of the topic, anything. He is a wonderful regional manager of us, Mr. Harshvardhan sir. So he will clarify every doubt. And then it is his email. So you can mail it or directly you can call and connect. And ACE Online Block 3, this is what our address is about. So at any time, if you can walk into our office, that's most welcome. Okay, so please remember that Harshvardhan sir, he is our regional manager and it is there your contact number for any clarification. So this is what we wanted to share with you before I start the class. That's what. Now today again we are on this IBPS Clerk 2023 preparation and we are preparing discussing the previous year paper, my young friend. So let's start here this one. The one which we left the other day, and this is IBPS Clerk 2019 prelim paper. चलिए इसको बनाते हैं. So what is the answer? You know the quadratic equation. Sometimes if it comes, it will come in 5 questions. 5 questions in clerk. चलिए clerk prelim. So here x square plus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. Oh, very good. All my young friends are watching. So look at this. You have to find out the x value. You have to find out the x value. And you have to find out the y value. And then compare it. So I'm giving 30 seconds to you, my young friends. Let's do it. And I will also be doing along with you. So here it is minus, so it will remain as it's become plus. First sign हमेशा change होता है. And the minus do not change the next sign, so it will remain as plus. Now 15, how can I break the 15 over here in order to get this? Can I write this as 3 into 5? Yeah, that's right. So that is 3 into 5 हमें दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. Yes, my friends. 3 into 5 or 5 into 3, so that gives you 15 and the 5 plus 3 gives us 8. So my first number is here 5. Always write the bigger number first and then followed by 3. So anyone answered? Try to answer my questions, my young friends. Where is the chat box, sir? Chat box. Open the chat box. Yes. So, okay, x is equal to y. Wow. Well done. Let me check the answer. Option D. And option D is x is either less than or equal to y. Either less than or equal to. Let's check this one. That is, what is y value? So first put the sign here. So the minus will become plus over here. The first sign always changes, and the minus do not change the next sign. So it will remain as a plus. Done. And then 40, can I write it as 8 into 5, 40, and 8 plus 5 is 13. So my first number is 8 over here, and the second number is 5 over here. Okay, my young friends, oh wow. Started answering the question. Okay, well done. Now, look at this one. What is happening? How do I compare this one? With 5 and 8, so 5 is less, and with 5 and 5, so it is equal. And here 3 is less than 8, and 3 is less than 5. So here as less than or equal to, my answer should be the x is less than or equal to y. Okay, so x is equal to or less than y. Option choice is D. Moving to the next question, my young friends. Let's together on this Sunday practice it. Okay, now can you answer the question? I am giving 30 seconds to you. 30 seconds to you. Now your time is started. So here I will take the x value and I will take the y value over here. So this is minus and plus. So the minus will become converted into plus. First sign always changes. Minus will not change the next sign. So it will remain as plus. And so is the case in this also. I can put the signs over here, because based on the sign, sometimes you can fix the answer. Okay, let's answer the question, my friends. Answer the question. I'm noticing your response. So 2 and 3. So here it is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So my bigger number is 2 and the smaller number is 1 for x. And for y, what happens? This is 4 and 4 and 3. So that is 4 plus 3. I am getting the middle number. So my first number, this is 4 and this is 3. ये हो गया. और ये 3 है, so 4 divided by 3 होना चाहिए, right? 4 divided by 3 and 3 divided by 3, because A is 3. Anyone answer the question? Anyone answer the question? Try it, my friend. Try it. So now when I compare these numbers, so I notice that all are positive numbers. So 2 is greater than this number, and 2 is also greater than 3 by 3, which is 1. And the 1 and here, so I notice that here it is 1 and here it is greater than 1. So 1 is less here, and here it is 1, so it is equal. So did you notice that we are getting the reverse relation? So what should be my answer? Come on, my friends, answer the question. So it's a reverse relation. Therefore, it cannot be answered. Option choice E. Okay, well done. Those who are responding, well done. The next question. Next question is here. So you will get the 5 questions. The moment the quadratic equation comes, 5 questions. That's easy. Believe me, it's a scoring area. So your 30 seconds starts now. चलिए हम भी बनाते हैं. So I will first take the x and y signs. So this is minus will become plus, and here the next sign will not change. Minus do not change the next sign. So it will remain as plus. Here the plus will become minus, because first sign always changes, and the plus changes the next sign. So this plus will become minus. So क्या हमें value निकालने की ज़रूरत है? Do I need to find out the value? No, I don't need to find out the value here, my young friend. I see that the x is in positive and the y is in negative. So obviously the x is greater over y, right? So where is that option? Option choice A. So that is the advantage once you put the what is that? Signs first, and then put up the values. Now चलिए next question की ओर चलते हैं, and this is your next question. And here that's write down the x and the y. First I will write down the signs of both. So the minus will become plus over here, and minus will not change, so it is next sign, so it will remain as minus. So minus the first sign will always changes, it's become plus, and the minus do not change the next sign. So it will remain as plus. So now based on the sign, this question cannot be decided. चलिए इसकी value निकालते हैं. So what is that? This is 3 into 6, 3 into 5. So this 3 into 2 is 6 and 5. The difference of 6 and 5 is 1. So see that the 1 is there. So that means the first number is the 6 divided by 2, which is 3 for x, and 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5. Anyone answer the question? Shall I give the 30 seconds for you? Answer the question. Answer the question, my young friends. Come on. Mr. Total, answer the question. Right. So this is done. Now coming to the y value. When I come to the y value, here it is 5 into 2. And then I notice that I need the 19. So if it is 19, 7 2 is 14. Okay. And then this 5. So 14 plus 5 is 19. So the first number should be 14 divided by 7. So which will be 2. And the time up. Anyone answered? Time up. Anyone answered? Okay. And this is 5 by 7. So let this be 5 by 7, which is less than 1. Now coming to this part, you notice that what is happening? Plus 3 and plus 2. So plus 3 is greater. Okay. Now when you find that plus 3 and plus 5 by 7. So plus 3 is greater. But when you come to this part, as it is negative and these two are positive, this is less than both the numbers. Now you notice that there is a reverse relation. In one case it is greater and the other case it is less. So therefore, what should be your answer? Come on, answer the question, my young friends. Answer it. So what should be the answer? Cannot be determined. Option, it should not be option C because it is in minus, right? So it should be option E, cannot be determined. Okay, moving to the next question here. 5 questions will be there in your exam. Come on here. This is plus. So for x, the plus will become minus. First sign always changes, as I am repeating again and again, and plus changes the next sign. So that means the minus will become plus over here. Okay. And what about the y sign? Come on, my friends. What is the y sign? So the plus will become minus here, and the plus changes the next sign. So this plus will become minus here. Okay. Now as on based on the sign I cannot decide. Let's find out the value. Your 30 seconds starts now. Come on, come on, come on. Are wow, Anusha, very good morning. Very good morning. Okay. Come on. Answer the question here. Let's see that Anusha can answer the question here or not. So how do I break this number? So I notice that I need the 2. So can I write this as 4 into 2? 8. And 2, 3 is 6. So here the first number is 6, the second number is 4. And the difference of 6 and 4 is 2. Okay, so got it. So 6 by 4, that is 3 by 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4. So my first number is 3 by 4. And what will be my second number? 4 by 8, which is 0.5. And find out the second value. So second value I need 11 over here. How to break this one? So if I write this as 3 into 4. So let's check what happens. This 4 into 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. So 8 plus 3, it gives us 11. So my first greater number is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. My first number is 4. What is the second number? 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5. Done. And compare it, give us the answer. Compare it and give us the answer. And I'll check the answer now. Now here minus 0.75 and minus 4. So this is greater when I compare with this. And when I compare these two, then here it is again the 0.75 and it is minus 1.25. So here this is greater. Now coming to plus, the plus will be greater than all the negative numbers. So it is greater and greater. So finally, anyone answered it? Anyone answered it? The x will be greater than y. Look at this, x will be greater than, in both the cases greater and greater. Therefore, x is greater than y. Anyone answered it? So what is x is greater than y? Option A. Yeah, wow, wow, wonderful responded. Next question on the board is here. So it's an arithmetic question. remember that you will have the 5 question. If quadratic equation comes, you will have 5 question, and it's very easy. You can score 5 out of 5 in the fastest way. चलिए आगे क्वेश्चन की ओर चलते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन क्या है? So I understand that it's a time and distance based question. So now see what this question says. Mohit travels half of the distance at a speed of x km per hour and the remaining half at a speed of 3x km per hour. चलिए, now find the value of x if the average speed is 36.6 km per hour. So shall I give you the 30-second time? Try, my young friends. Try, my young friends. This is the average speed, half of the distance with x km per hour, another half is with 3x km per hour. Put the formula. Put the formula. 2ab by a plus b is equal to 36.6. चलिए, कोई आंसर कर रहे हैं? चलिए हम आंसर करते हैं. What is that a over here? This is x. So I'll take the 2ab. Here a is x, right? And b, and the b is 3x by a plus b. That is here the x plus 3x, which is nothing but 4x, which is equal to, that's 36.6 is given, my young friends. Come on, come on. I am sure you will be able to find out the x. आप तैयारी कर रहे हो बैंकिंग की, एसएससी की, किसी के भी. This is an important question, important chapter, right? So now answer it. I will also work with you. So this x and x gets cancelled over here, and with this gets cancelled how many times? 2 times. So this is 3x with 3a cancel हो रहा है क्या? This is 1 and 2.2 ये हो रहा है. So when I multiply that, I am getting the x value as 4.4. किसने आंसर किया? किसने आंसर किया? Anyone answer the question? So my option choice is C. My option choice is C. Okay, look at the next question, my young friends. चलिए, what is this question is all about? Okay, I can understand it is about partnership. चलिए, that's a very good question. And you know, any exam you write, partnership will be there. So this is the investment ratio is given, investment ratio. And what is that? The R. These are the people, I will write the first letter, R, S and D. And this is 7:8:5, their investment ratio. And what it is said is their total annual profit is this one. It's okay. And the Raj and Dikshit withdraw their capital at the end of 3 months and 7 months. So Raj withdraw his capital after 3 months, means he was there only for 3 months. And the Dikshit withdraw his capital after 7 months. Look at that, Dikshit for 7 months. That means his duration was, Dikshit duration is 7. So find the difference between the Raj and Dikshit profit. Difference between the Raj and Dikshit profit. Chali. So if nothing is said about S, that means S was in the business for the entire period and it is annual. Nothing is mentioned, that means you have to consider for 1 year. So here this is 12 months. Ab to banega? Answer anyone, my young friends? Come on. Okay, that's good. So I am giving the 30 seconds for you. From here onwards, I am sure you will be able to do it. I am also doing along with you. So let's multiply and find out the ratio here. That 7/3 is 21 over here and is to 12/8 is 96 over here and is to this is 35. So अब हमें पूछा गया है what is the difference between the Raj and Dikshit. So before that, what is the total over here? The total is 21, and then I notice that is 116, 117, 117 and 147 and 152. The total is 152. So or I need to find out the difference. Total is 152. I need to find out the difference, and the difference between these two is 14. Yes or not, my young friends? Yes. So we got the answer. So that is 9,000. Look at this one. I am writing over here. I need the 91,200 into my requirement is difference which is 14 parts, whereas the total profit is given as a 152 parts. ये तो क्लियर हो गया ना माय यंग फ्रेंड्स. चलिए आंसर कीजिए. तो अब क्या करना है हमें? यू कैंसिल दिस. आई नोटिस दैट इट इज गेटिंग कैंसिल बाय 12 by 6. 6 to 12 carry 1 and 15 6 is 90 plus 1 91. So that is how it gets cancelled 6 times, and that is 600. 600 into 14. 14 6 is 84 followed by 2 0. So I am getting that 84 followed by 2 zeros. Hope this is clear. Anywhere answer is there, 84 followed by 2 zeros. So I by mistake placed the 3 zeros. It's okay. So it's 2 zeros. Done. So what's your answer? 8,500. Option choice A. Option choice A. I am discussing the previous year paper IBPS Clerk Prelim 2019, my young friends. Let's go to the next question. Okay, and before that, once again, if those who have joined just now, so IBPS Clerk 2023 batch is going to start on 19th of July. This will be a complete online live batch on the ACE online platform, and then the course will be in Hindi और English दोनों लैंग्वेज में रहेगा ये. चलिए आगे चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये रहा. अब देखते हैं, ये तो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस की क्वेश्चन है. बहुत ही अच्छी क्वेश्चन है मेरे दोस्त. पहले हम पढ़ लेते हैं क्वेश्चन को एंड देन आई विल गिव यू 30 सेकेंड. ओके. John sold a bicycle for 1/3%, and you know the fraction is 1/3. So 1/3 profit में बेच रहा है, and the another one with a 100% profit. Okay, now find his overall profit percentage. Overall profit percentage हमें निकालना है. If the selling price of both the bicycle is same. Or what a wonderful question, my young friends. Your 30 second starts now. Come on, someone can respond it. ये बहुत ही अच्छी क्वेश्चन है, and that is previous year IBPS Clerk 2023 prelim, 2019 prelim. Okay, इसको कैसे करते हैं देखिए. So let's assume that the cost price of the first one is X. So 1/3 is the profit. Then 1 plus 1/3, what it comes? It is 4/3. So the selling price will be 4/3 of X. So 4/3 of X, 4/3 of X. This is the selling price of the first one. And what is the selling price of the second one? Let's assume that the cost price of the second one is Y. Then there is a 100% profit. That means it's become selling price is 200% of the cost price, as 100% profit is there. So 200% आप इसको decimal format में लिखेंगे तो it is 2. 200% is nothing but 2. So 2 times of Y. And these two selling price are equal. This is given to us. Wow, this is a really wonderful question. Someone can answer the question here, my young friend. Can I get the ratio of X to Y? Look at this one. What will be X by Y? I will cancel this 2 times. That is 3 by 2. ये हो गया. Now, if first article cost price is 3, the second article cost price is 2, and we know here we have 1/3 profit. No? You are asked what is the overall profit percentage. So here 1/3 profit means the profit will be, I am writing over here is the profit. So here the profit will be 1/3 of 3 is 1. And here 100% profit. So if 100% profit means the profit will be remain 2. That is what 100% of 2. Now what is the total cost price and what is the profit? The total cost price you notice here is 5 and the total profit is 3. So what is the total profit percentage? Anyone answer the question? What is the total profit percentage? This is my profit and this is cost price. So 3 is what percentage of 5? 3 by 5 we all know is 60%. I really say it's a beautiful question. Right? So let's check the answer is correct or not. Option A 60%. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर चलते हैं अब. हाँ, ये रहा. ये कौन सा है? मिक्सचर का एलिगेशन चैप्टर से है. देखिए, हाँ, दैट इज IBPS Clerk Prelim of 2019. Yes, my young friends, let's work out together and try to answer the question. I will read the question, उसके बाद 30 सेकेंड देंगे. चलिए, so milk tank contains the mixture of milk and water in the ratio of 4:1. Okay, now when 50% of the mixture is taken out, अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास में 4:1 जो है, इससे अगर आप 50% निकाल लेते हैं तो जो भी बचेगा वो that will be again in the ratio of 4:1, because the original volume is in the ratio of 4:1. So whatever quantity you take out, in that quantity the milk and water will be in the 4:1, and whatever quantity is left, in that also the milk and water will be in the ratio of 4:1 में ही रहेंगे. चलिए, अब हम लोग यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद क्या दिखाया गया, एंड रिप्लेस विथ 48 लीटर्स ऑफ वाटर. अब आपने ये हमने मिल्क ले लिया, ये वाटर ले लिया, सो यहाँ पे आपने 48 लीटर्स ऑफ वाटर डाल दिया. ओके, सो उसके बाद क्या हो रहा है, रेशियो बदल रहा है. दैट इज देन द रेशियो ऑफ द मिल्क एंड वाटर इज बिकम 1:1. यहाँ पे 1:1 आ गया. सो लुक एट दिस टू फिगर, इट्स ए ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन. हियर इट इज 4:1 में था. जब आपने 48 लीटर्स वाटर इसमें इंक्लूड करते हैं, देन द रेशियो इज बिकम 1:1. तो अब करना क्या है, आपको ये मालूम है द मिल्क इज रिमेन सेम. सो अगर मिल्क रिमेन सेम, ये 4 पार्ट है, सो मेक दिस एज 4 पार्ट, मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 4, देन you will get this as 4. So when you are multiplying one term by 4, you have to multiply all the terms of the ratio by 4. So here also I will be getting 4 here, right? This is 4 and this is 4. So why did I do this? Because the milk remains same, because you added the water. The water quantity will increase, but the milk will remain same. अब देखिए क्या हो रहा है, तो पहले हमारा वाटर 1 पार्ट था, अब वाटर 4 पार्ट्स हो गए. मतलब कितने पार्ट इंक्रीज हो गए, 3 पार्ट्स इंक्रीज हो गए. क्यों 3 पार्ट इंक्रीज हुए, यहां से लेकर यहां तक 3 पार्ट्स क्यों इंक्रीज हुए, बिकॉज यू एडेड 48 लीटर ऑफ वाटर. व्हाट डज इट मीन, द 3 पार्ट इज 48. सो क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा गया, फाइंड द इनिशियल क्वांटिटी ऑफ मिक्सचर. 50% निकाल देने के बाद में जो बचा है, पहले हम उसको निकाल लेते हैं. So that is when 3 part is 48, 1 part is 16. I am not writing purposefully, हम नहीं लिख रहे हैं, because these all are the small mental calculation. When 3 part is 48, the 1 part is 16. So this is how many parts, 4 plus 1, 5 parts. The 5 part will be 80. So this small calculation you should do mentally. So यहाँ पे हमारी जो quantity है वो 80 लीटर है, लेकिन हमें पूछा गया है कि initial quantity. So this is after taking half of 50%, it is 80 liter. Then what is the total value? The total value will be that 80 plus another 80, which is 160. So my answer should be 160 liters. किसने आंसर किया, किसने आंसर किया, anyone answer the question? So look at this, my option choice D, which is 160 liter. It's really a beautiful question. Beautiful question. We are working out on this. So a very quality question given on this year. Moving to the next question now. Come on. Here. Now it's a problem on ages. आपको पता है सभी एग्जाम में प्रॉब्लम on ages बहुत कॉमन है. If you are writing the SSC examination, one question from problem ages will be there. If you are writing the banking exams, any exams, IBPS, SBI or the RBI, one question of problem on ages रहता है. चलिए, अब ये क्या है, the 4 years ago, the ratio of the age of A and to that of D is 2:3. And the ratio of the A 4 years ago and D 5 years hence, it's not the same. यहाँ पे क्या बताया है, 4 years ago, that means A minus 4 and D minus 4. We have a ratio 2:3. But when it comes to the second ratio, 4:9, ये कब है, A minus 4 is to D plus 5. It's not the same as in the previous case. So I have to form the equation. Your 30 seconds starts now. Your 30 seconds starts now. Now, चलिए, सभी लोग मिलकर करते हैं. So a minus 4 by, that is Deepak, D. This is a, D minus 4 we have given to us 2:3. Then I get this as that is 3a minus 2d. 3a minus 2d which is equal to, that is minus 8, and यहाँ पे 12 आ रहा है plus 12. So minus 8 plus 12 is 4. So is equal to 4. This is equation 1. Okay, my young friends. Now come to the second one. That is a 4 years ago. So a minus 4 by d 5 years hence. So d plus 5. This ratio is 4 by 9. That's the ratio. Okay. Now if you expand this, you are getting the second equation. So here 9a minus 4d. That is 9a minus 4d, right? Which is equal to, यहाँ पे 20 आ रहा है, plus 20 आ रहा है, and 9 4 36 यहाँ पे आ रहा है. So 36 when I go to the other side will become plus. So this is 20 plus 36 is 56. Okay, write down 56. We got the second equation. Solve the first and second equation, you will get the present age of A, present age of D. चलिए कोई आंसर कर रहे हैं? हाँ चलिए मिलकर करते हैं इसे. So how do I do it? Now what is the age? I need to find out the age. So neutralize the D. So multiply the first equation by 4. So here it is minus 4 minus 4. So what will happen over here when I am multiplying this by 2? So this is become 6a and this is 4. It will get cancelled, and here multiplying by 2, right? So this is 8. So here it is 6a and here it is 9a. 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. What happens? 9a minus 6a, that is 3a, which is equal to, ये तो cancel हो जाएगा because minus minus plus यहाँ पे cancel हो रहा है. And then here it is 36 minus 8, and 36 minus 8 is how much? 48. 48. तो आपकी a की एज तो निकल आ रही है. किसने आंसर किया? किसी ने आंसर किया? So what is A? The A is equal to 16 years. That's your answer, my young friends. So my option choice is D. Let's check that. Why option choice A? Find the present age of A. Okay. So 3A, and here it is 56 minus 8 is 48. Then A is equal to 16. So option writing में गलत हुआ होगा. There may be a mistake on that. The option choice is D. Hope everyone is enjoying and understanding, my young friend. ये बहुत ही important question है sir. Problem on ages की एक question तो definitely आती है. And this pattern of framing the question is a beautiful question, I will say. Moving to the next question right now. Okay. So before that, someone if joined recently on the platform, know that we have already launching this IBPS Clerk 2023 is online on its own platform on 19th of July. In the introduction, I said the step by step how to enroll and what are the contents we are offering. So if you miss that, see the video or the beginning part. Okay, my young friends. So all the class will be on our own platform is online with Hindi and English. चलिए अब अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर चलते हैं. अब ये जो क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, the questions which I am taking it is the IBPS Clerk Prelim 2020. Whatever the questions I previously discussed, it was Prelim 2019. Now we are going to discuss the 2020 from the very beginning. Okay, चलिए लगे रहिए. You know that simplification, what is the importance of simplification in quant? Out of 35 questions of quant, 35 questions of quant, you will be getting 10 question simplification. 10 question. 5 question number series. यही तो 15 questions हो गए. चलिए, so we are discussing the previous paper. Let's work out over here. चलिए, So A%, I need to find out the A value. A% of 700 plus 249 is equal to this much. So the very first thing I am going to do is cancel these two parts. Take the other side, it will become minus. So that is 60 minus 49, which is 11. And then 7 minus 2 is 5. So here the percentage is there, so you can cancel the 20 over here. That is 7A is equal to the given number. What is that? 511. Then what is A? The A will be equal to, I am giving your time. I am giving your time. Come on, my young friends. Answer the question. So here, what will be A? The A is equal to 7 is 49 and 21 is left. And 7 3 is 21, 73. So यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है 73, option D. Yes, option D is 73. Next question on the board is this. Chali. What is this question? Now 11 square minus 9 square plus 37 is equal to A plus A to the power 3. I am discussing IBPS Prelim 2020 paper, right? Clerk paper. 11 square, everyone knows 121. And here it is 89, 81. So yes, subtract karte. And then you need to add the 37 to it. So when you are subtracting it, you are getting 40 over here. And 40 plus 37, which is equal to 77. So I got the 77, which is equal to A plus 3 cube is nothing but 27. So this number is 27. When it comes the other side, will become minus 27. So what will be the answer? The answer should be 50. Answer should be 50. Okay, Anusha has answered the question and she said D. No, I am getting the option E. Let me check that. This option E. Okay, no issue. Probably a small slip in the calculation. The next question is here. Come on. Now, let's enjoy it. So we are practicing together, right? I am not trying to teach something over here. Wherever the best method is there, definitely you will learn something over there. Now, अब देखिए 1/8 of this, सभी को मालूम है कि this number is 8 cube. Anusha, try this. I am giving 30 seconds to you. Now, that is 512 is 8 cube. So when you cancel this one, you are getting 64 over here, right? And this is another group. You know the BODMAS rule. So I am not repeating that part. 40% of 100 is nothing but it is 40 itself. So I am getting this number as 40 here, which is equal to A by 3 of 48. So off has to be operated here. You know that this is 8. Now what comes now? That is 64 minus 40, that is 24, divided by that 8 is the A value, which is nothing but it is 3. किसी ने आंसर किया? हाँ, okay, that's right, that's right. So now you see that option B is the answer. Yes, the answer is option B. Well done, well done. The next one, let's come on, answer the question. Now you can see that all are only addition. And then A will go the other side and this will come over here. It will become minus. चलिए मिलकर करते. So that is 96 plus 44. And it comes 140. And this one, 160. And 160 minus 60. That is 100. That means in the last I will have 2 zeros over here. Carry 1 is there. And then come to these last two number 78. Learn that dealing with 2 digits addition simultaneously. Okay. So that is 78 plus 67. So 78 plus 60, it is 138. 138 plus 7, 145. And 145 plus 60, that is 205. 205 plus 3, 208. 208 and minus 79. 208 minus 79. क्या आ रहा है? अब देखिए 18 minus 9 is 9 and then 19 minus 7 is 12. 129. So I will take the 129 here, but carry 1 is there, 130. So that is one more 0 you are getting. 13 is carry 130. So simply it is 130. That's your answer. If you look at that, your answer should be 13,000. क्या आंसर है 13,000? ऑप्शन ए. चेक दैट आंसर इज करेक्ट. ऑप्शन ए. किसने आंसर किया? किसने आंसर किया? या वेल डन, वेल डन. ओके, नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हियर. चलिए, हाँ, स्पीड इंक्रीज कीजिए. You increase the speed. I'll tell you the right method over here. So you know, according to Bosmont, first off has to be done. Your 30 seconds starts now. Your 30 seconds starts now. Now here this is 36. I need to multiply these two numbers. So 6 is 36. Carry 3, and this is 6 3 is 18, and plus 6 4 is 24. So that comes 30 42. 45, carry 4, and then 4 3 is 12, and 12 plus 4 is 16. ये आ गया. मल्टीप्लिकेशन स्पीड मैथ्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. चलिए, नाउ व्हाट आई हैव टू डू? फर्स्ट डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन. एवरीवन नोस फर्स्ट डिवीजन. सो आई नो दैट दिस इज नथिंग बट इट इज 18 स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज 18, and 18 into 3, that comes 54 over here, right? So from this number minus 54, answer is ready. Anyone answer the question? Come on, my young friends, answer the question. Let's do the practice. So now I notice that is this number minus this number is your result, and that is 1602. This is your answer. Anywhere 1602 is there, your option choice C. Check the answer. Yes, option C. That's right. Next question on your board here. Let's practice with me. चलिए आप हमारे साथ practice कीजिए आप लोग भी. So here addition and subtraction. Here addition square is there. It's okay. So can I do that wherever the when I am adding this and subtracting? It's very easy. So that I'll get this as 364. And from there, if you are taking out this number, then this is 2, and this is 5, and this is 4 minus 3, which is 2. अब हमें क्या करना है? ये तो प्लस में है ना, ये भी प्लस में है, तो इसको अदर साइड ले जाइए, become minus. So when you take out this number from this number, you will be getting this is 5, and this is 2, and this is 2. Now a square is equal to 225. Then what is the a value? सबको मालूम है ये 15 square है. So the a is equal to 15. That should be your answer. Anyone answer the question? Anyone answer the question? Yeah, Anusha says option B. Let me check that. What is option B here? The option B is 24. No, I think the answer is 15. Yes, option B, 15. Well done, well done. Well done. Keep it up, keep it up. Okay, chaliye the next question. Look at this one. Look at this one. So everyone knows that 7 square 49 over here. So you are simply adding the 49 and 81. Chaliye all my friends, I am giving 30 seconds for you. So this is 81 and minus 9. So 49 minus 9 is 40. And when I add 40 over here, then 121. So 121 square root. This part comes 121. The square root of 121 is nothing but 11. So this number is 11. Then, okay, here division 11 is there, and here 11 is there. So can I directly cancel this one? This 11 and 11, can I cancel this part? Yes, I can cancel this one. So finally what happens is, now when you are dividing this, 1 minute, it's a division. So first I need to operate that division. So this is 121 divided by 11 is 11. Am I right? So this 11 in multiplication, this gets cancelled. So what is the value of A? Come on, answer the question. And Anusha rightly said option A. That's a E. Wow, well done, well done. Keep it up, my young friends. Increase the speed. Come on, 43 and 32nd, right? Question number 43. Chaliye, 60% of A is nothing but 0.6 A. Chaliye, आपका time is on run. You can see that. 17 seconds is there on your hand. Now 40% of 500, so cancel this one, and 4 5 is 20, that is 200. That's done. And minus 200 which goes the other side, then plus it's become my right hand side will be 600, and 0.6x is equal to 600, 0.6a is equal to 600. Then what is a? The a will be a cancel hota 100 and one more 0 will be there. So my a is 1000. Anyone answer the question? Option D you are talking about? That's right, that's right. This lady Anusha, you are really cracking the exam. You are well prepared, ma'am. Chaliye. The next question over here, question number 44, and your 30 seconds starts now. Chaliye. This is the whole square. Can I look at this in this formula? That is a plus b whole square, which is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. That formula will be applied here to simplify it. Now your still 13 seconds is there. So here a square is nothing but a to the power a squares of square. So a to the power 4 plus here it is 4 and plus 2ab, that is 2 into 2 is 4. A square, that is my left hand side. Come on, answer the question. Now left hand side, right hand side, can you see that this common? I can cancel this one. And then a to the power 4 is equal to, I will subtract this. Then I will be getting this number as 81 over here. Right? So a to the power 4 is 81. Everyone knows. Anyone answer the question? Anyone answer the question? So a to the power 81 is 4. The a to the power 4. A to the power 4 is equal to 81. Then a is equal to 3. Option choice. Anyone answered? Option choice. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Wonderful response. Wonderful response. Keep it up. Now, coming to the next question here. Coming to the next question here. What is this question all about? Then here can I do one thing? Let's convert this. 7 2 is 14 and 1 15. 15 by 7. Your time starts now. 30 seconds. Now here 15 by 7. And 7 4 is 28, 28 plus 3 is 21. Am I right? 7 4 is 28 and 28 31. Okay. So here it is 31. Come on my friends. 31 by 7. Now and the rest all are in the fraction, the complete pure fraction. So here if I take the LCM, then I notice that the LCM here it will be 7 into 2 is 14. Come on, your 30 seconds is over. Anyone answer the question? LCM is 14. Then here 2 times this will get 30 and plus what about this 2 times 31 62 and plus this is minus. This sign is minus. My dear friends, it is minus. And coming to the plus over here, how many times? 7 times. So 16 7 is 112. 112. So this is my left hand side. And let's see that what you are getting on the right hand side. The right hand side, again the LCM of this, can I directly cancel this one? And I see that this is 14. Yes friends. Now the LCM is nothing but here it is 7. And that is A plus. Now I can directly add this one, that is 14 7 98. चलिए this is 98. बस इतना ही तो करना है मेरे दोस्त. चलिए आप करते हैं. Now answer it my young friends who are watching live. Answer it. Now this gets cancelled how many times? 2 times. And with this 2 all the numbers are getting cancelled. So let's it be 2. And after adding and subtracting I will divide this by 2. Okay. So here 30 plus 30 minus 62 I left with 32. And if I take out 32 from here, then I will be left with 80. 80 divided by 2, that is 40. So my left hand side is 40. Okay, which is equal to A plus 98. Okay, this is actually the correct answer. जैसे बुक में दिया गया था वैसा ही यहाँ पे नोट किया गया. There may be a small printing error, but don't worry for that. So what is A? The A is equal to, I am getting minus 58. Okay, it is not there, minus 58, ignore that. There may be a small sign mistake over here. I think it should be plus. वहाँ बुक में दिया गया था माइनस और हमें लग रहा है ये प्लस होना चाहिए. अगर ये प्लस होता तो क्या होता देखिए, yeah, this will become plus. So if this has become plus, then what will be my right hand side figure? So let's take the right hand side figure over here now. Come on my friends, चलिए साथ में मिलकर प्रैक्टिस तो कर रहे हैं. So here that is 2 and 2, that comes 4 over here, and that's 11 plus 6 is 17 plus 3 is 20. So ये आ गया. So what will be the value of A? Now still and this should be divided by 2. Okay, so it will become 1 not 2 and 1 not 2, and still I think that we don't have the option over here. So 1 not 2. अब देखिए क्या हो रहा है, 1 not 2 minus 98, I'll be getting 4. So what is A? A is equal to 4. Let's anywhere this that's there, option B, 4. That means it's a printing error in the book. Printing error in the book, that is, it is not minus, it is plus. Okay, well done, well done. Oh, well done, well done, well done. Now let's move on to the next question. But before that, those who have joined just now, I want to announce that the ACE Online is there for your help in your preparation. It is going to launch its live course on its own platform for the prelim examination and also main examination, and the date of starting 19th of July. All the faculties are senior faculties, and how to enroll, what is the course detail, in the very beginning I discussed it. So those who missed it, please see my beginning 5 minutes video. Now moving on to the, okay, here we have some details. Now it's good, I place the detail here also. 200 plus hours the recorded video, and that is, I'm not sorry, recorded video, live videos. So live classes will be there on the ACE Online platform for more than 200 hours for prelim. Now coming to this, that it is very important, who are going to teach, all are very experienced faculties will teach you, and there will be an online test series, right? And 1-to-1 membership and chat 24/7. आपके support में हम रहेंगे sir. So don't worry for that, and there will be an doubt live clarification will be there in our ACE Online platform, not on YouTube. Okay, coming to what are the other details about the IBPS Clerk 2023. There is an online test series. Online test series. And what is that online test series? Total number of tests will be 21, in which the subject-wise test is 9, and the full length mock test will be 12. And in coming days, probably more tests will be added, right? Okay, so how do you enroll for this? You visit the ACE Online, and from there step-by-step guidance will be there. And what is this one? IBPS 50, use code. If you use the code, you will be getting 50% discount. Please write down this one. Either you will take the coaching or pass on this code to your friends, your relatives. They will get a 50% discount on the course. Right. Now, this is about how to purchase the course on online. Now, very first thing is you will visit this our website, that is aceonline.com, and then you will get an interface something like this. Here you will find the banking codes. So once you click this one, then you will come to this screen. In this screen, IBPS Clerk here subscription. So this is your step 2. When you click that one, then you will further get the detail of this part. So here your subscription starts. Then use this code, and you will get the 50% discount on the course fees. Yes, my friends. Now there is another way. What is that? You download our app ACE Online. So You download either by Apple Store or by Google Play or by Windows Store. Please download it. We will give lot of material and lot of supporting subject for you for your preparation. Okay. Now the next one is you can scan this QR code. Once you scan, you will automatically get into our app. Yes, my friends. And the biggest one is, don't forget, write down this code and use the code while you are subscribing. You will get 50% discount.